Today we're going to be replacing the headlight bulb, low beam, for a 2014 Acura Rdx. That is located on the passenger side, low beam. Now it's very difficult to try to get it from the top. We tried remove it from the top, from the back where we have two clips right here holding the ballast, but it's very difficult. So we have to remove this cowl. We have to remove this cowl, take out the retaining clips. Then we take out the radiator cowl right here that's over the bumper. We remove all of the retaining clips. Now we're gonna begin to remove the bumper, because the easiest way is to do this is to take the headlight out so we could access it from the back. All right, we pull the clips. We're gonna show the work. Bumper piece in place. You're gonna pull the clip out here. This clip is kind of hard to come out, so I'm gonna have to squeeze it to pull it out. All right. I'm using a 90-degree angle pliers so I could get behind here and pinch it out, which is very difficult sometimes. These things gets wedged. We're gonna pull the clips that holds the bumper on the lower side. Lower clips. Gotta pull the clips underneath the bumper. Right, we're gonna pull the pins on the lower side. We're gonna do the same thing. So the next side, we're gonna release the bumper here, swing it down so we could get access to the headlight. The Phillips screws that holds the bumper to the fender. You're gonna see a Phillips head screw right here. You gotta remove that, right, along with the clips that holds the bumper to the fender. Once all the clips are loose, you're gonna pull the bumper, because what you wanna do, you wanna pull the bumper away from the housing here. So we are going to push. We're going to remove these clips that holds the bumper, and we release the bumper. And voila! And the bumper. Once you remove the bumper, you're going to remove the bolts that holds the headlight in place. So go here. You're also going to remove this clip that's holding the headlight in place. Make sure you take everything out. Make sure there's no more screws. Now here it is. One 10mm screws deep back in here that we have to remove to get the headlight loose. Get the headlight assembly out. We pull one screw here, one screw here. We're going to be pulling one screw here, right? And then we're going to be pulling this screw all the way in the back. Right, get that screw all the way out. Oh, beautiful, right? Now we remove the headlight assembly, right? Now, as you can see, this thing has been a thorn in our side, because we've been trying to get this clip right here in place. Supposed to hold in place here and here, but we gotta get it so it gets to the headlight assembly. So we're gonna use this clip. Let's see if this clip would make access. See here, we got one clip here, and we have the other clip here, right here. So you see, both of these now are in. Now we take the ballast. We're gonna get the ballast, and as you can see now, we're gonna try to line up the ballast. Two clips that goes in 1, 2 on the side of the ballast. So we're gonna get this ballast down here. All right. You're gonna come, open up on the big side of the ballast, and voila, it's in. Can you turn on the headlight, start the car, turn the headlight on, just to make sure from here. Turn on the headlight. and you can see the low beam is working. All is well. So we're going to go back and we're going to reattach this thing in the reverse order of how we got it together. Alright, you can show we're going to go ahead and we're going to reinstall the headlight into its housing. I'm just going to give it a gentle tap from over here. Everything is done. We replaced the low beam headlight on the passenger side of this 2014 Acura Rdx. We are going to be putting the radiator cowl back in, and that piece that covers the fender well. Like and subscribe to this video, and thank you for watching.